it is Justin with Texas Magnolia Home, and on my channel I do DIY projects, home decor hauls, and home renovation updates on our own personal fixer-upper here in South Texas. Now in today's video, I'm gonna give you a complete room tour of our son's bedroom, as well as show you where I got everything from. If you wanna check out a complete home tour, I will have that video linked up above as well as at the end of this video. Alright guys, let's get on into this video. Now come on into our son's bedroom. Now what I wanted to do when creating this space is keep in mind that he is 13 years old and that we live in a 1930s home. So I wanted to accent a lot of the character that's in this home, but give it a fun theme for him, and he's very involved with sports. So then I came up with a 1920s, 1930s sports theme room that had a little bit of industrial flair. Now the first thing I want to talk about, there used to be a set of French doors over here that we closed in because they went into the next bedroom. So we put up shiplap on the wall, creating this awesome accent wall, and if you're a fixer-upper lover like us, we had to add in some shiplap in the house. Now another fun accent piece that we found is this brick behind the wall. This used to be a chimney that is non-functional anymore, but it's really pretty, and so we exposed it out, and that created some more character, vintage character in this room. But bringing in the industrial side of it, I found these old lockers that had been repainted, so it gave it more of a fun industrial pop of color in the room. Now over here on my left, your right, is an old army glove that I picked up from an antique mall, and then this is his name. One of our neighbors made it for him. He doesn't sell them anymore, or I would link his information down below. But guys, any of the stuff that is still in the market that I can show to you guys, I will have linked down below in the description box. Now coming over here, I picked up these really cute lamps from Farmhouse Wares. I don't know if they still have them, but I think they do, so I will have them linked down below. So basically they're wall-mounted lights that give some more of that farmhouse but yet industrial look. Now this little caddy right here, which I got from Hobby Lobby, is probably for drinks, but I put his remotes in here, and then he also has his iPod over here, then a cute little picture. Now this furniture set, it has these black accents, but it's gray. For some reason, I cannot find gray furniture for a boy anywhere, and I found this online. It's from Coleman. I'll have it linked down below if they still sell it, but I got 2 end tables, this headboard, footboard, and then we'll show you the dresser in a second. Now this bedding I got from Pottery Barn Kids, and what's really neat about it, it's very high quality, but you can also customize it. So this is our son's initials, is on the pillow. There's another one over here. Now this pillow, he's had for years. It's probably like 5 years or 6 years old, so I don't know where he actually got it from, but yeah, let's keep on going throughout the room. Alright, now over here above his bed, I picked up this picture from Hobby Lobby. I like how it was a fun different color contrast against the shiplap and the gray of the bed, but it still goes with the theme of his room, which is an early American sports theme. Now coming on over here to the other side of his bed is another one of these light fixtures that I got from Farmhouse Wares. It kind of just frames out the space in whole. Now these are 2 little trinkets. This was actually James's when he was a kid. Andrick actually got this from school, and then this picture frame we picked up from Hobby Lobby. Now the fun things with old books, to give this some height, this actually fit the color scheme of the room, so I love playing with books. I'll show you guys on the other side of the room here in a little bit what else I did with some books. Now this was a fun area that I really like and enjoy, because when you walk into the room, this is one of the first things you see. Now I picked up all this stuff from different antique malls or antique places, but it just gives that early American sports theme in this room. So this is an antique tennis racket, then we have some skis and these boxing gloves, but we just like mounted them on the wall, no rhyme or reason, just to try to create an artwork type place. Now coming on over to this side of the room, we have these old stadium seats that I got. Now what I love about these stadium seats, the fact that they are vintage and antique, is how chippy and distressed they look. Now most people probably would have taken this and reupholstered them, but I like it. It shows that it is an actual antique piece, and it also fits within the color scheme of his room. Now what he can use this for is if he wants to read a book or play on his iPad, whatever he wants to do. He has a fun little hangout space that's not on his bed since there is not a desk in this room. Now coming on up from there, we have this piece that I got from Farmhouse Wares, and guys, I will link it down below if they still have it available or if I can find it somewhere else. Now this is very appropriate with the theme being early American sports, and I really like it. Now above my head, we actually had this made. We saw it on Facebook about 2 Christmases ago, so once again, it fits the color scheme. It is just his name. Now coming on over here is where his TV is, which we put his dresser here and then put his TV on top of it and kind of created this whole space. Now this dresser fits the bedroom set that we showed you earlier, and over here these are figurines that I got from Hobby Lobby. We have a baseball player, golfer, and football player. Now coming above here, this is stuff that we picked up from Hobby Lobby as well. They have the words and then they have these metal cutouts. Now with the metal cutouts, they were black before, but I just got some inexpensive spray painted and added a pop of color up there, creating a fun gallery wall for him. Now coming on over to this side, I'm using books as well, kind of creating like a layering look, but this is a sign that is kind of like distressed wood, kind of like pallet wood that we picked up from Hobby Lobby, very inexpensive, and then put it on the easel. Alright guys, that is about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope we gave you decorating tips and tricks and ideas for your very own children or future to-be children. Let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite piece was, and like normal guys, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, and we will see you next time. Bye guys!